Here's what's been happening at Atlantis Marine in May, and it's been a busy few weeks across the globe. Our operators and ROVs are currently deployed in Malaysia, carrying out high-precision inspection and cleaning work on offshore platforms. The campaign's success has already led to an extended scope, a testament to the skill of our offshore teams and the capability of our ROVs. In Taiwan, our operators are supporting offshore wind farms. A second ROV is now mobilised following the award of a new contract, backed by 3 years of trusted delivery in the region. Meanwhile, our engineers in the UK are hard at work behind the scenes. As ROVs return from Brazil and Equatorial Guinea, our technical teams are servicing, testing and preparing them for rapid deployment into summer campaigns across Europe. Here in the UK, our operators are also wrapping up a large inspection project on a wind farm. Originally commissioned for a partial scope, it's now extended to 100% of assets, driven by outstanding results and the confidence we instill in our partners. Follow Atlantis Marine to stay up to date with our latest global operations and innovations.